Introducing the tabletop cassette holder from Phillips Safety. This holder is designed for lateral imaging and engineered with stability and maneuverability in mind. Featuring a 15 by 15 inch base that effortlessly slides beneath patients and pads. The tabletop cassette holder is also highly versatile, accommodating a variety of popular imaging CR or DR cassettes and grid cassettes with its 1.25 inch holder channel depth. Plus, adjustments are seamless. The 24 inch pole features two smooth sliding clamps that can be adjusted independently, allowing you to get the perfect positioning for your procedure. Each clamp is lined with an anti-slip soft rubber for gentle handling and protection of the receptor at all times. If you'd like to learn more about the tabletop cassette holder, you can find it on our website at phillips-safety.com.